All right, super important topic today. We're talking about trigger leads. Now, what is a trigger lead? A trigger lead is basically what happens when you fill out a loan application, you're going to refinance, buy a house, etc. I run your credit. And then the next day, all these sleaze bags are calling you. That's what a trigger lead is. It's actually information sold by the credit bureaus to these scandalous lenders to solicit you because you're applying for a loan with someone else. If you think used car salesmen are sleazy, this is like the sleaziest thing in the world. And if you apply for a home loan, there'll be thousands of people calling you. So how do you opt out? Number one, optoutprescreen.com. This will opt a consumer out of unwanted solicitations for 5 years and it costs nothing. Number two, go to donotcall.gov. This is the do not call registry. Number three, dmachoice.com. This will stop loan offers and other offers from coming to your physical mailbox. I'm Garrick Werdmuller. We're independent mortgage brokers that work for the people, and we're here to help you.
Yeah, Fresh Home Loan Inc. You want mortgage rates without breaking your bank? Well, I got what you need. I'll keep it 100. The very best lender. We sell money, yeah. There's really no equal. Independent mortgage brokers that work for the people. I know that the pandemic's brought many problems. What we offer is better rates.